Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you're here. If you're new, welcome to the squad. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go. So I'm really excited about today's video because I've actually partnered up with IPSY to show you guys what I got in my September glam bag. How freaking cute is this bag? I've said it before and I'll say it again, IPSY always has the cutest bags. So this time around, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this fall look with a pop of color using some of my products from my September glam bag. So if you guys want to learn how I got this look, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so to start off, we are going to be going in with this Tatcha the Kissu lip mask. And it's actually a lip mask, but I've kind of been using it as a balm, and you can use it as a balm. You guys, oh my god, this stuff is incredible. I've been obsessed. Literally since the day I've got it, I have used it every single day. I'm not joking, I'm not exaggerating, although I am a little bit dramatic, but not in this case. I am obsessed. So, alright guys, so now I'm going to be going in with this sea salt scrub from Wild Honey Apothecary. I'm actually really excited to try this out just because the packaging is so interesting. So it says super fine sea salt face glow. And it gives you instructions, blend packet with 1 teaspoon of water, gently massage into face and let rest 5 minutes. Rinse and pat dry. So I am prepared with my little cup of water. So I'm just going to go ahead and dip this in there and put it all over our face. Put this in there. I'm excited. Ooh. Okay. We got that all the way. Alright, so it's pretty much like a salt consistency, like a salt with water consistency. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it in here. So this you would usually do like in your bathroom, you know, so it wouldn't get like really messy, but for video purposes, obviously I'm showing you guys here. Ooh. Ooh, even my hands like feel really like soft right now. Glowing hands. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and let this sit for 5 minutes as the instructions state, and we will continue to our makeup. Yes, sea salt scrub. My face feels so soft, especially in these areas right here, which you guys know that I love because that's where I get a lot of buildup. So now we're gonna be going in with my Benefit Precisely My Brow. Love this stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and do our eyebrows. For primer, we are going to be mixing both the Smashbox Photo Primer Oil and the original Photo Finish because this is pore filling and this is hydrating. I have realized that, like, super crazy, I feel like, sorry, a rude car interrupted me, but I feel like I used to have a really like dry, or no, I'm sorry, I used to have like an oilier face, and I feel like my face is getting drier. Or it has been getting more dry for sure over the last year. So it's interesting to see like how your face and stuff changes. It's kind of scary because I feel like that means I'm getting older. I mean, I am getting older, but I feel like, you know, my skincare is kind of like, hi, you're getting older. So, all right, so we're just gonna go ahead and put that on everywhere. It feels so nice to just like do this to your face. Mainly because my face feels so soft right now that it just kind of like glides, like it's nice. All right, so now we're gonna go in with this one right here, and we're gonna focus that on these areas. It is a very like slippery. Definitely wouldn't recommend this if you have like oily type skin because it's gonna be a hot, oily mess. All right, so now that we've done our face, we are gonna move on to eyes. And the reason why I like to let like the oil primers sit while I do my eyes is just because I want it to really like sit and marinate so we can get that super nice flawless finish for our makeup. So we are going to be moving on to our eyeshadow. We are going to be going in with this MANNA KADAR eyeshadow duo in the shade Nemesis and Medusa. It's like this really pretty like coppery bronze brown shade. I especially like the shimmer one. Ooh, that's pretty. That is for sure going on the lid. All right, so we're gonna go in with Medusa, which is the more brown shade. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of go all around the eye with this small fluffy brush. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go in here with our Tarte Shape Tape. I feel like I used too much. All right, so now we're gonna go in with the shade Nemesis, which is the shimmery one. And, ooh, okay. Ooh, that's pigmented. You guys see that? Yes. What do you think? Do we love it? Do we love it? Yes. Alright guys, so for lashes, I'm going to be going in with these right here from Bold Face Makeup in the style Muse. Yes, yes, yes. Do we love how this looks? Because I am loving it. Alright, so now we're going to go into foundation, and I'm actually going to be trying out something new. I'm going to be trying out a lot of new products here, but I didn't want to call it a first impressions because some of the products are not actually new, so I don't want to forget that I said that. Okay, so I don't know what shade I am. This is in the shade Sahara. All right, so I think we can get away with going in with Sahara. So that's what we are going to do. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some on the back of my hand. All right, so I actually ended up taking a mix of Sahara and the Lawless and my NARS Creamy Radiant Foundation. So that is working. All right, so right off the bat, you guys, this looks very dewy. I'm not sure if the combo of the oil with this foundation is like the best, but we're gonna see. We're gonna make it work. And I do know I look a little bit yellow compared to my body, but we're gonna make it work. We're gonna balance it out right now. All right, so for concealer, I'm gonna be going in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium Sand. We're just gonna go in here just to highlight these areas of our face. So I was originally supposed to use, or I wanted to try out the new Jouer concealers, and I forgot. But I remembered now, so that's what we're going to be using for our contour. This is in the shade Coffee. Here. It kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape, except for the applicator is a lot more narrow. So it's a good shade, yes. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and put down. Going under here just kind of makes it look like you have bigger lips. It just creates a shadow. It's all an illusion, you guys. It's all an illusion. Alright guys, so now we're going to be going in with this HANALEI matte bronzer. We're just going to go ahead and take it with our Huda Beauty brush and just kind of go over where we contoured. Ooh. It's going on really nicely. And I like that it's not looking orange, it's just looking tan, but it's not looking orange. We love a not orange bronzer. Alright, so now we're going to bake our face. I'm going in with the Too Faced. Is it sweet? I always mess up. Is it, oh, peach perfect. I always want to say sweet peach powder. I don't know why. But I'm just going to go ahead and take it on the cap and just kind of... I think I have too much product on here, so it's not really like picking it up. Oh, there we go. I'm just gonna add some over here, just to kind of sharpen it a little bit. Alright, so for blush, I'm gonna be going in with this new Sigma Beauty blush palette, and I'm gonna be going in with Mod Mauve, which is that one right there. I feel like it's a very like sophisticated shade. Kind of smile and bring it up. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and tap all of the excess powder into our skin. Alright, so for highlighter, I'm going to be going in with this new one from Artist Couture in the shade Hot Damn. It's their new Diamond Luxe Luminizers, and I'm so excited to try these. I'm so excited for Angel. I'm so proud because I swatched it, you guys, and it is amazing. So let's see. Ooh, do you see that? Like right off the bat? Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my god, I love highlighters so much. Ooh, yes. We're gonna go up here a little bit. You guys, I'm kind of living for this foundation because it's like very dewy. Now, I do feel like it's a little yellow for me, just a tad bit, but as soon as I find my right shade, yes, honey, I'm living. So we're gonna go in here. Oh my god, it almost looks wet. It looks like water. Well, maybe not like water, but it looks like some kind of something wet. You guys, it looks like so dewy. Oh my god, love. Okay. Okay, wait. Do you guys see here how it looks a little like shiny? That is not cute. So we're going to go in with a little bit more powder around this area. Just because we want to look dewy, but like we want to look dewy in the right places. You know what I mean? You don't want to look oily. So for my bottom lash line, I'm going to be going in with this retractable eyeliner from Glamour Dolls, and it is in a really nice blue shade. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It's like a nice shimmery blue shade. Yes, look at how it looks with that color. Like, don't they look so good together? So that's what I'm gonna be going in with on my lower lash line. I'm going in here just to really get that pop of color. Love it. Yes, it looks so good. So now I'm gonna be adding just a little bit of this shade that's kind of like a similar color just to the lower lash line, so it could pop a little bit more. It looks like the exact same color too. Ooh, how pretty does that look? Loving it. Okay, so for my inner corner, I think I'm going to go in with this one right here. It's called Spirit, and it's actually from the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. I haven't really gotten a chance to play with it, so I'm excited that we are today. We're going to go in for our inner corner here. Wow. You guys, that looks so good. Like, do you see how it just kind of adds like an extra pop? But obviously, if you're going for a more subtle look, you could just do it without the inner corner highlight. Yes! I'm gonna add a little bit more in here just to really intensify it, but It is waterproof, so you won't need to like reapply a lot. I always like my pencils to be waterproof, especially if I'm gonna put them in my waterline, just because I don't wanna have to keep reapplying like every half hour. So yes, Glamour doll. All right, for my lips, I'm gonna be going in with this Makeup Forever color pencil in the shade Limitless Brown, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. Do you see how pigmented that is? Like I barely swiped it at all. You actually have to be very careful with this because it's so pigmented that like anywhere you touch, it's like splat, lots of color. You see how it just glides on? Oh my god. And they have these in like so many different shades. Like every shade that you can think of, they have this. And then I'm going to be going in with this Beauty by Pop Sugar Lip Balm. And it is in the shade Be Sweet. And I've been loving this because it gives you that like glossy look, but it's a balm. And it's also very pigmented. And it's buildable. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in here. And almost like erase the line. Almost like bring it in. But you see how it kind of creates that like dimension? I'm living for it. So then you just kind of want to like do that to kind of mix in the liner and the balm. I mean, you could also get a brush and like do it, or you could just, you know, completely up. To finish off my eye look, I'm going to be going in with my Ciate Dewy Spritz. Look at how pretty this is. I don't know if you can see it. The camera's like not really doing it justice, but can you see it's like pearly inside? It's so pretty and it smells really good too. It's like a nice like subtle smell, but like still like a hint of sweet. Love it. All right, so to finish it off, I'm gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of mascara to like the end. All right, so for my hair, I kind of like the waves that I have going on. I waved it yesterday because I was going to film, and I like the very like undone look, but it does need a little bit of volume. So I'm gonna be going in with my Big Sexy Hair powder play. I'm just taking sections. Before I did my hair yesterday, I did use my Grace and Stella hair mask. I've been using masks a lot lately, like at least twice a week, just because since I do have bleached hair, colored hair, it is very necessary because since I do my hair a lot, I put a lot of heat on it. It needs some love, you know what I mean? Needs some absolute love. So the Grace and Stella one is actually really cool because it is nourishing and it also helps to repair dry, damaged, brittle, over-processed hair. I would hate to think that my hair is over-processed, but since it is bleached and I also put a lot of heat to it, it needs that extra love. It's my favorite right after I do my mask just because my hair feels like super like soft and silky. Yes, such a vibe. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you go and give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like it. Thanks again to IPSY for partnering up with me on this video. If you guys are interested in any of the products, just check the description bar below and they're all gonna be linked there. So I love you guys so much. Thanks again for watching and I'll talk to you guys later.